Hey everyone, this is a DL-650 Suzuki VStrom 2006, and what I want to do is adjust the time. It says it's 1:45 a.m. but it's actually 1:50 p.m. right now. So in order to fix that, you have to do the following. You turn the switch on. You need to put your bike in neutral. The switch has to be on, and then you press select first and adjust, and you keep it pressed. Just a few seconds. There you go. Now with adjust, you change the minutes, and then you hit select. It will change to the hour, and then you adjust your time. 1:50 p.m. and that's it. Hope this helps.